Assalamualaikum, and my name is Tuan Nur Afifah Adlina binti Tuan Zaki. Now, I want to explain about introduction and the problem of Unified Registration Plan. For introduction, Unified Registration Plan system is made for the user who is interested in the Unified Plan. For problem, first, the user does not have to queue at the Telekom Malaysia to register the plan. Second, by queue, we will waste time and money. Why I tell waste time and money? Because during a long queue, we got tired. Last, if we expose our data by manually, the data will easily missing. So the solution is we made this system to make it easy for customer by making a payment online. This system also known as user-friendly because we can view the total payment.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Fatina Tira binti Muhammad Shukri. So I will present my part objective. So we have 5 mains, but we chose 3. So the first one is measurable because the system is able to calculate the total of payment after customer choose our type of plan. Second, it is very achievable system because they are able to do everything to save our users time and energy besides doing it by going to the branch manually. And the last one, it is relevant system to make sure the program is able to run based on what we ask perfectly and completed.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Nuazi Umairah binti Muhammad Afzal. So I will explain about our scope. So this is the class diagram. There are 3 classes, which is Unified Plan, BIS20 and BIS5. And don't forget to the Unified App class. There is a main application class. We can also call the Unified App as customer. It is because customer will be the user of Unified App. And Unified Plan and Unified App has a many-to-one relationship with aggregation link. It is a part of relationship where Unified Plan is the whole and Unified App is the main application. So, plans with the detail of information can be purchased by many customer, one customer only, and no customer at all. And lastly, BIS20 and BIS5 are types of Unified Plan. This implies inheritance relationship where Unified Plan has general attributes like types of plan, which is BIS20 and BIS5, and customer details. So that's all about the class diagram scope.
Now I want to explain about UML diagram. So this is our UML class diagram. There are 4 classes, which is Unified Plan, BIS20, BIS5, and Unified App. For attributes Unified Plan, we have 4, which is cast name string, cast IC string, plan choose string, and date register string. For method, we have 4, which is string get cast name, string get cast IC, string get plan choose, string get date register. For BIS20, we have 2 attributes, which is type plan string and gov.serve string. For method, we have 3, which is string get type plan, double calculate price, and string to string. For BIS5, we have 1 attribute, which is plan string. For method, we have 3, string get plan, double calculate price, and string to string. So this error is inheritance for Unified Plan. For Unified App, we have 3 attributes, which is type plan string, plan choose string. For method, we have 6 method, which is string get cast name, string get cast IC, string get plan choose, string get date register, double get total payment, and string to string.
So this is our UML use case diagram. As you guys can see, there is only one actor here, which is customer. So customer will add customer informations, like they will enter their name when do the registration plan, enter IC, enter the plan that they choose. For your information, they only can choose one plan only, which is BIS20 plan or BIS5 plan, and after that they will register the date when register the plan, and if they choose the BIS20 plans, they will answer the Boolean question in the BIS20 plans, and if they choose the BIS5 plan, they will answer the question type of plan in the BIS5 plan. And lastly, customer will do a payment through online. So that's all about the UML use case diagram. So Azrin again. So this part I will explain about our coding progress. So this is the superclass coding, which is unified plan class. So as you guys can see, there is no syntax error here. So public class unified plan, and then we declare all the attributes will all private, and we use the normal constructor, which is string class name, string class IC, string plan choose, and string date register. And then this is the mutator methods. We set the class name, class IC, plan choose, and date register. And this is the accessor method. And lastly, we use the toString method to return class name, class IC, plan choose, and date register.
Coding progress for subclass BIS20. We use S10 because subclass BIS20 and BIS5 inheritance with superclass, which is unified plan. For attributes, type plan represent the type of plan chosen, which is home or business. For GovServed, represent whether the customer is government servant or not, true or false. For constructor, the class has a constructor BIS20 that takes several parameters, which is class name, class IC, plan choose, date register, type plan, and GovServed. It's called the constructor of the superclass unified plan, using the super keyword to initialize the customer information, plan selection, and registration date. It also assigns values to the type plan and GovServed attributes. For mutator method, set type plan, set the value of the type plan attributes. Set GovServed, set the value of the GovServed attributes. For accessor method, get type plan, retrieve the value of the type plan. For get GovServed, retrieve the value of the GovServed attributes. For process get calculate payment, this method calculate the total payment for the selected plan based on the installation fee, monthly fee, government discount, if applicable. Each initialized variable for installation fee, monthly fee, government discount, and total payment. Based on the value of type plan or business, the installation fee and monthly fee are set accordingly. If the customer is a government servant, determined by GovServed, government discount of 10% or 50% depending on the plan type is applied. Otherwise, no discount is applied. The total payment is calculated as the sum of installation fee and monthly fee multiplied 1 minus government discount. The method return the calculate the total payment. For toString method, this method overrides the toString method of the superclass unified plan. It's called of superclass toString method using super toString and appends additional information. Additional information include the selected plan, get type plan, government service status, GovServed, and the total fee calculate using get calculate payment. The method return a format string represent of the BIS20 object.
This BIS5 subclass coding. So as you guys can see here, there is no syntax error. So this subclass is also used as 10. It's because this BIS5 subclass is also inheritance with the unified plan class. So and then we declare the attribute which is private string plan, and this is the normal constructor. We use the unified plan class attribute which is string class name, string class IC, string plan choose, and string date register. And this is string plan for this subclass. And we use the super to call the constructor of the unified plan class. And this is the SSO method. We return the plan. And this is processor method to calculate the price. First, we declare the double total equal to 0, double family fee equal to 58, double student fee equal to 38. And we continue here. After we declare the price, if we choose the family plan, we will get the total, and else if we will get the total of student fee and return total. And lastly, we use the toString method to return the super, which is the get plan, and the calculate price. So that's all.
So I will presenting for our coding progress. This is our main application and we use file. So we are declaring scanner SC, new scanner system.in, and the second line scanner SC line equal to new scanner system.in. So when we use file, we need to use try, catch, exception like that. So we are declaring these two subclasses, which BIS20 as B20, new BIS20 in array 10. Same goes to BIS5. So we are commenting open file, and then we use file reader, new file reader, customer unified plan is our file name, and the next file, the output file will be result unified.txt. So next, string input equal to null, and string cast name, cast IC, plan choose, date register, type plan, and government servant is in our subclasses and superclass. So this is identity cast B20 equal to 0, cast B5 equal to 0. So we are using while loop. As you guys can see, we are using string synchronizer, new synchronizer input, and the start is for separate the data, and we are declaring cast name, cast IC, plan choose, and date register in st.nextToken. So in while loop we have if else. If plan choose contains BIS20, they will read the type plan government servant if they are true. So the next we use B20 cause B20 that we are declaring, and this is our attributes. And the next toString method and system.out the print line toString method also. So this is for loop that we need to know the total of payment that customer choose BIS20. So next, as if plan choose contains BIS5, so we use plan equal to st.nextToken. So this the B5 we declare it in new BIS5, same goes as BIS20, and we use the same method as BIS20 also. And for loop, in the as if we use for loop, that would be the output would be the total of customer need to pay. So this is our grand total B20 and total B5. So this is our searching method. The system would print out, do you want to search any information? If yes, they will print out type of information, customer info or total of each bits. So you just input the search, which is this. So if you choose customer info, you need to choose number 1 bis 20 or number 2 bis 5, and you need to choose between these two, number 1 or number 2. So if you choose 1, please enter the customer name. You need to enter the customer name, and then they will get the cast name. So next, if you enter the wrong name, the system will print out name not found. As if you choose number 2, the same goes. Please enter the customer name, and then they will print out the customer name. But if you enter the wrong name, they will print out name not found. So, and then if you choose total of each bits, it will display total bits 20 and total bits 5. And then if you don't choose any of them, they will exit the system. This is at the end of our coding progress. After displaying all these outputs, you will get end of program and thank you for using our application. But if you get an error, you will get a message like this. So this is our sample output. Since we are using file reader, the output would be like this. For example, customer name Aisyah Majid, customer IC, they will display your IC, and plan choose bis 5, date register, the date register that you enter, and selected plan, student plan, and the total fee would be RM 38 ringgit. Same goes to the first one. Next, this is our searching output. So do you want to search any information? Yes. Type of information, customer info. You need to choose one, either bis 20 or bis 5. So if you choose bis 20, and please enter the customer name. If you choose Alia Melia, name not found because the name is not in the output. Do you want to search any information? No. So they will exit to the system. Okay. That's all for me. Thank you very much.